Hi guys, Albert and Newfie here. Yeah, I haven't been on here for quite some time doing a YouTube video, but I bought myself a toy just the other week there. Bought myself a drone, and here's my drone. And I'm outside in a little area behind our house, just a few blocks from our house here, and a little more of a bigger area so I can use my drone and try it out. So I'm just going to show you guys. This is my drone. Okay, I just want to show you that I'm trying out my drone. Alright, so just want to show you that I'm trying out the drone that I bought in the area a few blocks from our house. Okay, I'm signing off for now.